Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a product on Redbubble. The first thing you will need to do is create an account on Redbubble as an artist. You can do this for completely free. So you're going to go onto redbubble.com and then you're going to select create an account and you're going to select artist. After you have created your account, you're going to tap on your account icon in the top right hand corner. Then from here, all you need to do now is tap on sell your art. Once you have tapped on sell your art, you are going to tap on add designs. After selecting add designs, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you are going to tap on upload new work. Once you have selected upload new work, it is going to open up your browser, and from there you can choose the artwork that you would like to add. So for example, if you don't have a design as yet, what I would recommend you do is go onto canva.com. Canva.com is a platform that you can use to come up with a stunning design for completely free as a beginner. For example, on Canva, after creating your account, you could tap on the search bar here and you could type in t-shirt. After selecting t-shirt, you can see that you have access to over 14,000 different templates that you can choose from. Now let's say for example I wanted to use this template. All I would need to do is select the template, then tap on customize this template, and from here you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page you can now add your own personal touches. So for example, you can change the text and so on, but I'm going to be leaving it as is. Then I'm going to tap on share in the top right hand corner, tap on download. Then from there I'm just going to be downloading page 1, so I'm going to tap on download once more. Once you have your design, you'll go back into Redbubble, tap on upload new work, and you're going to select the design, then tap on open. And from here you can see the design has been uploaded. Then you can give it a name. So I'm just going to be calling it Never Give Up. So you'll type in the name right here. After you have added the name, you can add some tags that are related to your product and the audience that you're trying to target. You can also add in a description. Then you can scroll down and you can see the product previews. So you can see your design added to different products. And if it is a case that you would like to add your design to a product that it is disabled on, all you'll need to do is tap on disabled to add it. So you can see right there it is now enabled. And if it is a case that you would like to remove it from a particular item, so let's say I don't want it to be on this t-shirt, I can simply tap right where you see enabled to disable it. And that's it. You can scroll down and from here you can choose the different products that you would like your design to be printed on, or for customers to have the option to print it on. So you can select any one of these products. Once you're finished, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you're going to see the option is this mature content. You are going to select no if it is not. Then after doing that, you can scroll down and you're going to select I agree. Then you'll tap on save work. After you have tapped on save work, you're going to give it a few seconds. And then from there, you have now created your first product on Redbubble. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.